when it comes to speech and body language, there's a couple things I would just like to get your thoughts on before we can go into some other areas. What are the lowest hanging fruit that you see people could improve most on when it comes to speech in particular?
When it comes to speech
and communication. So we could go body language as well.
Body language is the one that came to me first.
Go for it.
Okay. Most people live in a box. Everyone's box is a different size. So some people's box is like this tight. And it's, what do you want to do? It's a very small box. Some people's box is in here. When you're filming on YouTube, you have a box that is here that I've learned to do it. To expand your box is one of the most important things. But it's the ability to be like, oh, dude, did you see that over there? Like, it's the ability to fill space that is not belonging to someone else. I'm not punching anyone in the face. And I have been aware of the camera, so I've been trying to frame it because that's the old YouTuber in me. But if you train yourself, and this would often be the first thing, we would often go out to bars or clubs with guys. And before we spoke to anyone, we always went to the dance floor. And I was like, close your eyes and dance as small as you need to until you can go big. And take as many minutes as you need until you're thrashing around, not punching, not hurting anybody. Open your eyes if you need to, but to get comfortable filling space with your body. That is the lowest hanging fruit. And if you want to do it just in a simple way, when you're talking or gesticulating, try to get your elbow fully extended at some point in your next conversation. Really easy, has a huge, not just perceptual effect on the other person, but it will raise the volume that you speak with. You will feel more confident. There's this biofeedback loop that kicks in. I can even feel it now as I start to expand.
Look at those elbows.
The elbow flare, right? Sounds simple, is incredibly impactful. For speech, it's a cliche, but it is substituting and like, and I still have my crutches for silence. That's the biggest one. And like communicate a lack of conviction. It communicates a sense that you haven't thought things through before. So silence is captivating. It's a vacuum in the sense that it pulls people in. You have so much more silence available to you than you realize. I see this constantly in my own videos where I'm like, so the next thing you got to do is this, and we got to do this. And then I see the most captivating speakers, the Dave Chappelle's, and they know what empty space does. It is so incredibly powerful. So that would be the big one, is to simply, you can record yourself if you're a YouTuber or a podcaster. This comes, you've heard this before. Listen to your ums and likes, and then consciously take that desire for silence into the next interaction that you have instead.
Curious what happened in the silence there. No, it was great, man. Are you cognizant of your like vocal tonality and like all those little things that you could probably spend so much time?
I spent this is where I started to tip too far. I have a pretty high voice compared to some men. It's just the shape of my everything, right? And so I would see, and it is true, that deeper voices are just naturally more commanding. There's probably an evolutionary thing that is connected to that with testosterone and size and danger, all of those sorts of things. And so I was, okay, well, I need to learn to change this. And so there are exercises that you can do that are valuable.
I'm just imagining you walk up to people with your eyes wide open, speaking, hello.
Hello, small person. Yeah. So there are things that you can do. But for me, this was where I was like, okay, this is now, there's too much self-improvement and not enough self-acceptance. This was really like right about that line. And so I was doing exercises, bouncing up and down, healthy stuff, learning to speak more from your diaphragm so that you can speak for longer periods of time without straining your voice box. That's all good. But it was becoming like pulling my larynx down, trying to speak more deeply. And it's just not worth it, even if it has an impact. If you're blessed with a deeper voice as a guy, congratulations. But it's not worth chasing to that degree, in my opinion. But it is worth, if you're someone who is very nervous and who can't take a deep breath and speaks only from here, it is worth, and this is where it becomes a little bit more meditative, more spiritual, learning how to draw breath into your diaphragm, into your belly, into your back, so that you're resonating, literally resonating from more than just this little tight area up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're interested in the fastest method that I have to build your charisma, your social confidence, you may be interested in checking out Charisma University. It's our 30-day program to take your charisma and confidence to the next level. And this is what just some of our members have to say about it. I don't even have a bachelor diploma, yet they want me to fill this position. And when I asked why, this was the answer. You have great social skills, which is rare for an engineer. You can think quickly on your feet, and you are open and self-assured in your demeanor. Thank you so much for all that you have taught me. You have truly changed my life, because without Charisma University, I wouldn't have qualified for that position in a million lifetimes. Or check out this student's experience with dating. Loving the course. I've liked a girl for over a year now, but never thought much of it because I thought she was just too pretty. Took your lessons, gave things a shot, and now we are dating. And try this one out for friendship. It has been truly incredible. I have instantly had results that seem insane. So many more meaningful conversations. My friendships have improved, and my interactions with total strangers are a new, exciting, fulfilling thing. I want to recommend this to everyone. This should be in our basic education system. Now, the course comes with a full money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to you trying. There are thousands of people that have improved their lives with Charisma University, and I would love for you to do the same. Either way, I hope that this video has helped you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.